Hi guys, today I will be doing a Labubu unboxing video.
Here's the Labubu.
Thank you, servant. Let's open it and see what's inside. I have the rarest pink Labubu. This thing is full 24 karat amethyst. And I will test it here with my test.
Purple.
I mean, this is 26 karat rose quartz Labubu. There are only 2 rose quartz Labubus on Earth, and I am one of the owners. My tester here will test for real rose quartz. So here, if I tap it on here, you don't hear anything. You don't hear anything because she's not rose quartz. But then, when you tap it on here, see, listen. See? That means she's real, okay? Let's do it again. Yup. Yup, see? She is real.
Give me that!
No! My rose quartz Labubu! My Labubu! Guys, she broke my rose quartz Labubu. You know how rare this is?